After this video, you'll be able to greet like a native and without accent. And in the end, there's one different surprise for you today. Stay here and find out. Welcome to Brazilian without subtitles. Can you greet like a real Brazilian? We are gonna learn the easiest and the most used ways to greet in Brazil. In the last video, we talked about saying hello in formal and informal ways as a native, but now we're gonna learn some so easy ways to ask and answer how are you doing or how are you. Saying goodbye, it's gonna be for another video. The following steps are very important. You are gonna listen first, learn and repeat before watching how to write them to make you independent from textbooks shape. Are you ready? First, listen to the following 5 questions and answer at a normal speed we usually speak. First, oi, tudo bem? Tudo bem. Second, oi, tudo bem? Tudo jóia. Third, oi, tudo bem? Tô bem, e você? Tudo bem. Now, let's understand. Hi or hello can be oi or olá for both. It doesn't matter the order. You can choose both forms. Second, bem means fine, okay, or all right. The sentence how are you and I'm fine are tudo bem. It's funny because we can ask and answer using tudo bem. And tudo bem can also be used to ask and answer if everything is okay or all right. For example, how are you? Tudo bem? I'm fine. Tudo bem. Are you okay? Tudo bem? I'm okay. Tudo bem. But try to sound like a native. It's bem. Repeat, please. Bem. Another different way to answer tudo bem can be tudo jóia. But it's funny again because the word joia means jewelry in English. But it's part of an expression, so it means that everything is so fine. Third, the sentence e você means and you. E and você, you. Now, let's learn repeating. Please repeat the question and the answer. Click on pause for each one. First, oi, tudo bem? Tudo bem. Second, oi, tudo bem? Tudo jóia. Third, oi, tudo bem? Tô bem, e você? Please remember, if you are enjoying this video, click on like. It's gonna help the channel so much. My surprise for you is that you can practice all the sentences we've learned today in a free interactive quiz. Clicking on the link below in the description, and it's free and it's for you. Let me know what you'd like to learn about Brazilian Portuguese language. Subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching.